In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quick and easy preliminary agreement. I'm going to start here with an inquiry that has just been qualified. Using the blueprint, I'm going to click on Proceed to Estimate and select Preliminary Agreement. Next, I'm going to click on Complete Preliminary Form. You can complete this form on site with a customer or in the office, and any information already captured will be pre-populated in the form, so there is no data duplication. Once you've checked the details, proceed to the last tab and enter your preliminary requirements, including deposit information. You can configure your services and pricing to suit your business, and the agreement value will be automatically calculated as you select the services required. Once the form is complete, hit Submit, and the agreement is automatically prepared. You are notified when it's ready, which takes less than a minute. If you are on site with a customer, you can get their commitment immediately or send it to them via email. Remember, the agreement can be customized to suit your business, including the branding, style, images, and content. The completed agreement contains all the customer information, including the preliminary requirements, pricing, and deposit. Once the client is signed, they can choose to pay by credit card or invoice, and your credit card payments can include the merchant fee. Once they enter the credit card details, the payment will automatically be processed. On Submit, it syncs back to Builder's Excellence and marks the inquiry as won. Congratulations, you've just won a preliminary agreement. You can now process the estimate, convert the signed agreement to a contract, and email the receipt to the client. The tasks are now ready to schedule.